Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I'm Viewer, your finance online tutor. So today I'm here to make this more easier and easier. So today we're dealing with the payback period. So payback period is determined by the management, and it is the amount of time required for a firm to recover its initial investment in a project. That means if you're investing, you are looking at how long it's going to take you for you to get your money back out of the investment you made. Simple example that I would make is that if you're investing into building the flats close to university, and then it happens that you're going to look at how long it's going to take you to recover the amount you've spent into building those flats. If you spent, let's say, 5 million, you are going to calculate how long it's going to take you for that million to, how you're going to recover that million out of the years you're going to receive the return out of the investment you've made. So let's do a quick example. So okay, I think I have to do this, but I'm going to use my calculator. Let me use my other calculator, which is this one. I'm going to use this calculator. So with this one, you're going to say, you know that in project A you invested this for 2,000. This is the amount you invested. So you want to know how long it's going to take you for this amount to be returned back to you. So you are going to say 42,000 minus 14,000 is 28,000 minus 14,000. That's another 14,000 minus another 14,000. Sorry, said 42,000 minus 14,000 minus 14,000 minus 14,000, sorry, minus 14,000. So it's 0. That means you minused 14,000. If you remember, you minus this one, minus this one, minus this one. Let's do it again for the last time. We said 42,000 minus first 14,000 you minused. Then you minus the second one. Then you minus the third one. So it's going to take us 3 years. Our payback period in project 1 is going to be, project A, going to be 3 years. Then we come to the second project. We say 45,000, sorry, minus 28,000. We're left with 17,000. You notice this, okay, we're still going to be able to minus this 12,000 out of this 17,000. So we say minus 12,000. Then we're left with 5,000. We can't minus this 10,000 out of this 5,000. But we can say this, we've minused this one, we've minused this one, this is 2 years. But we can still pay part of this amount from this 5,000. So we're going to say this 5,000 divided by this 10,000. That is 0.5. That means in half a year, not half a year most, this 0.5 is going to be plus this 2 years. So 2.5 years we are going to pay. It will take us 3 years to get a return. Plus this 2.5. That means that 10,000 will cover it. Will cover that 5,000 out of this 2.5. Okay, no. We will cover 5,000 out of this 10,000. So that means that we need to say that 10,000, we divide that 5,000 with this 10,000 to get the period, which is 0.5. Then we add this period with this one. Then it takes us 2 years, 0.5 to get our return, which is the payback period. So that's how it is for payback period. If you have any questions, I know it can be tricky if you're doing for the first time, please comment below and then I will answer you with a short video if I need to do that. Remember, I would say that payback period needs to be less than the maximum acceptable payback period. So a management will decide that they want a return in 5 years. But in a case where we receive our return in 3 years, that's a good thing for us because it takes us lesser what we expected. But in a case where it says 6 years, then that means that if the project says it takes 6 years for us to get a return, that's a bad thing for us because we said we want to receive our return in 5 years. So that's how it is. I hope you guys understand this, and if you have any question, please pop the question in the comment section. I will answer you with a short video or do a long video if I have to.